set back off again, day 2. Made it to the first stop. Again, like the scenery's changed completely, because like the last time it was like open valleys and stuff, and this time it's all rocky hills and stuff, and it just looks amazing. Like I don't know how well the camera's like capturing it, but it looks stunning, absolutely amazing. In every store out here you can buy a balaclava. You know, because you need that. Back on the road, baby! Yeah. My knees ache. Try and upload the photos I've taken on my phone. Download and do what you please with them. Royalty free. Have a look at that. Gearing up for the next part, we're gonna go down and get some lunch. I'm gonna sit here. Oh, it's really warm outside actually, the sun's hitting. Sat in the restaurant now, very busy. Let's see what local cuisine we get. Right, we're at the next stop now. This is where we get onto the boat. Phone's nearly flat, I've had to put sunglasses on because it's that bright and sunny out here. What's the temperature? 22.5 degrees, which isn't even that warm, but look at this dam. Well, this is probably the hottest it's been, like direct sun-wise, in quite some time. So I'm probably gonna burn here, and I definitely already feel it on my face. Should have put sun cream on, but I didn't think it'd be this sunny. It's sort of been a reasonable temperature everywhere in Vietnam, but this is ridiculous. Definitely a rickety ship. The water is stunning here. Very green, very nice, and the scenery is unreal. So I think we're just floating about and getting like a tour around here for about an hour and a half, and we loop back round. So, but you can't complain with the view.
We have a 25 minutes stay here for everyone get the coffee or the drink here. And then after here we go to the skywalk.
They come straight in and first thing they go straight to is the bucket with the bomb. The area for the skywalk should be good. 20-minute walk. Hopefully it's a walk and not steps.
Easy. Easy for me now.
Oh. That right there, that's the skywalk where that guy in the white top's walking out. Oh, right, this is the last stop. We're on our way back now to the hostel. Nice background music there. Yeah. This is a bit different, a bit much.
Oh, I understand. And then you put this, and then it's with different.